In today's video I'll show you how to check your account balance on your Nintendo Switch 2. Let's get into the method. On the Switch 2 home screen, open the Nintendo eShop app and then select your profile icon in the top right corner of the page. You should now see your current balance at the top of this page, where if you wanted to, you could add funds. You'll also see any current points and subscriptions to Switch Online as well. That's how to check your account balance on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.